got our Dragon Ball Super Warrior Seal Wafers. It's a tongue twister. But I know you can't read a lot of that. If you are studying Japanese, stay tuned to decipher, and I'm going to break down some of this stuff so you can pick it up and act like you know how to read it too. And so these are like some wafers, and I guess you get this sticker on the bottom, golden seal, but I'll get to that later. So let's just open it up and see what it looks like. All right. We got our wafers. So let's open this baby up. All these stickers are on here. Hey, how do I even get in here? All right, let's see. All right, I cheated. I used scissors. But, oh, all right. So, wow, that's a mess. Oh, so here's the wafer. And then I have, dun dun dun, sale. And it says, Vegeta Wara Ayo. So, Vegeta laugh, Wara Ayo. Vegeta. All right, so I guess he's just mocking Vegeta, haha, laugh or whatnot. And then you have just this sheet, and let's go for the wafer. So let's open, or no, let's actually go taste the wafer. So see you soon. So let's taste this baby and see how it tastes. It's nice and just clear white. Smells good. It's messy too, so. It's okay. Chocolate tastes alright. The wafer is cool. It tastes like a normal wafer. I give it a 7 out of 10. But thanks for watching this part. But if you want to continue to learn some Japanese and see what it says on the package, stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, so we have our Dragon Ball candy wafer, right? And so look at it good, right? So we're going to go over the top part over here, this, that, and I don't know why my computer's going a little slow. And this part, and then that last part. Not all this. Shiwa, Kuwa, Shikuwa. No, so already kind of started on it, so let's break it down. And I put the furigana so you can know. So the first part up here, if you know katakana, that's good because most foreign words or Dragon Ball is katakana. On top, you'll see hiragana and doragon, right? This first one, doragon, boru, Dragon Ball, right? Cho, and this is a kanji for it, cho. Senshi, shiru, Senshi shiru, right? And then we have, and this is hard to pronounce for me, wehas, like wafer, and cho. And so it's saying Dragon Ball Super Warrior Seal wafer, and it's or something of the sort, and that's what it means. Phone going off. So the next part is right here where it's saying saicho e no dai bolkin, the great, like the great adventure of the strongest, or the strongest, yeah, the great adventure of the strong, or the strongest is what it's saying. And that is, let me show you, is right under it. Ugh, under this part right here. And it has furigana on there, but it's so hard to see without, bringing it up. So let's go down some more. And then we have Keen Iro. Keen Iro is gold, right? Keen Iro. Iro is color. Keen is gold, or Keen. It was like a little X there, and then it was Gin Iro again. Ni Kagayaku Shiru. Kagagaku Shiru, which was what was it? Shining shining seal, shining seal, shiru, like shiru is seal, and then kagayaku is shining, and then the particle o, te, that's the kanji for hand, ni iruro, right? And so it's kind of like if we go backwards, get it, like get the golden sticker. It's like golden. Get the golden sticker, and then explanation like you got to get the golden sticker, in which you can see a picture right here. Like they want you to get this. I guess it's Super Saiyan Goku, and I guess that must be rare. So they're trying to promote get the sticker, right? And then our last part right here is daibu what is it? Daburo. Oh, double. Daburo. Uh goru. Gold. Double gold. And this is another way to say gold, and I guess in katakana goru, like gold, instead of saying kingkyo or kingyo kyo. My tongue is messed up. So, and double what is it? Double S double gold. I'm tripping. Double S. So it's like fest. Fest. Yeah, fest, like a festival. Fest. Goru do festo. Yeah, like double the festival. And this right here is kaise. Kaise held. So kaise is like double festival held. And that's it. And that's the bottom part right there. And so I'm gonna show you right here because they just put fez, but festu. I forgot how you say festival in another way, but festu. You can see the furigani appear, as you can see kaise is held. And so that's it, guys. So you learned a little bit of Japanese. Hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned for my next video. And if you have any comments or anything else you want to see, put on the bottom. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you later.